What a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another week in my life. So honestly, to be honest, I really don't know what's happening this week, but I thought I should just pick up the camera and start vlogging. Kuch na kuch to ho hi jayega, and you guys really enjoy vlogs, so I want to give you guys what you want. So today the plan is that actually hamara Skion ka saman, which was supposed to launch in May, has finally arrived after 2 months of delay, and I'm just gonna go to the warehouse to check everything and just make sure that all the saman that we've got is in proper quantity and the quality is perfect. So that's what we're gonna do today. After that, I'm just gonna go for a quick grocery run, I think, because I'm at the studio right now and there's nothing to eat, and for some reason Big Basket isn't delivering to my place. I don't know why. So since the last 3 days I come here and I literally starve myself, so I should go and just pick something up really quickly. I'm just gonna go in and out of the store. Zyada time waste nahi karungi because I don't want to step out, but I have to go to the warehouse, right? So I'm just gonna go to the warehouse, go to the grocery store, and then we'll be back home. So I was actually thinking that I should do a car tour, like showing you guys everything that I keep in my car, because I do have a few interesting things actually. So I think I'm gonna do that, but as I mentioned earlier, I'm going seat belt to pehen liya. I'm going to the warehouse. Hi guys, so as you can see, we're here at the warehouse and we're just doing a little bit of quality control because there's a new launch. I think I mentioned about that in the intro of the vlog, or if I didn't, we were supposed to actually launch 3 new types of garments, but now I think we're only going to be able to launch 2 because एक जो type का top था is not up to the standard. Like the quality isn't as good as all the other products, so we're just gonna scrap it all together and we'll see what we can do about it. But right now that's what we're doing. I'm not gonna actually show you, अभी मेरे सामने ही पड़ा है. थोड़ा vlog देखते रहो थोड़े time में. I'll try everything on and show you what we're launching soon. So I'm back at the studio. It's 7 o'clock right now, so everything shut down because 4 baje sab kuch band ho jata hai. So I couldn't go and buy any sort of groceries, but work at the warehouse is done. We organized everything. Quality control was also good, and we also had like a mini brainstorm meeting sort of, and I feel excited for the future for sure. Now I am starving, so in the meanwhile I just picked up some lychees and plum from a local vendor. Building ke niche hi tha. So that's what I'm gonna have, and obviously made some coffee. So I just ordered a chana salad from Subway, and I've never tried this before. Starting when I had the first bite, it was okay, but it's growing on me and it's actually so yummy. So today I have to actually take pictures for all the images. What the f am I saying? Hi guys, and welcome to the next day. So the main agenda for today is to take images for the new garments. We have a total of 12 garments that I need to shoot for, so it's going to be a long day. So I'm just gonna get started and do my makeup. So just before I started vlogging, I saw this question from one of you guys, wherein you guys were asking me about my studio. So actually this is a question that I've used to get quite a lot pehle when I got the first studio, and I never really got around to answering it because I would always forget somehow. Q&A में मुझे address करना था, but then I forgot, and then there was just never the right time to address it. So I just thought, might as well, while I'm vlogging, let me just talk about it. So I've got this question quite a lot. Is your studio, the studio that I'm in right now, is it rented or is it bought? So the answer to that is I am renting this studio, and a lot of you I think figured also that it's rented. So ये भी मुझे question आता था कि why are you renting it, why are you not buying it? The easy answer to that is that I live in Mumbai. Real estate in Mumbai is very expensive. So if I were to buy say like a 3 BHK apartment, it would cost me a minimum of 3 crores if I buy it in like a nice building, like a nice society. So minimum I'm saying 3 crores. It's probably more than that only. But yeah, that's the situation. So I don't know if I want to put all my eggs in one basket and buy a house right now. Obviously I eventually would want to do that, but right now I don't think I'm ready for that. I look really whitewashed on camera, so I'm just gonna go off camera, finish my makeup, and then I'll show you the setup for the shoot. So we're halfway done. We're done with 6 garments, 6 more garments to go. It is 6:30 right now. The thing is that I got my wrong size. I don't know how I managed to do that, but wrong size aa gaya top ka. So Aditya has gone to the warehouse to get the new size, the size that actually fits me. But in the meanwhile, I received a sample for a product that is gonna launch maybe in a month or 2. So that's very exciting. I'm actually wearing it right now. You guys can't see it, but guess in the comments down below what you think the next product could be. Hi guys, so I'm checking in after 2 days. I skipped 2 days beach ke because the launch day was crazy. I can never vlog on a launch day because like everything's everywhere and it's chaotic. So but the launch went well. It went really well, and other than that, the last 2 days I've been just filming like crazy. I filmed a collab with Janvi, and then I also filmed a collab with my friends in a safe way, because as much as I want to like meet everyone and film with everyone, I don't think it's a good idea. So I think I have figured out like an in-between way. You will see it soon when the video goes live. But it's the morning time. I'm getting ready for the day. I have to film again today. I'm like filming back to back, wearing makeup every single day, so my skin is definitely taking a toll. But regardless, let's get on with the day. So I used to actually hate putting the dishes away, but I actually enjoy it quite a lot. So that's usually one of the first things that I do in the morning. So I've changed into something more comfortable so that I can work out. I'm not in the mood to work out, to be very honest today, but I can at least stretch, even if it means for 15 minutes. So I've made my green juice. The ingredients for today are apple, we have banana, we have avocado, we have celery, and we have yogurt also today. बहुत ही thick हो रहा था, so I needed something to like make it more like creamy. So let's do a taste test. I haven't tasted it yet. I think I should start adding yogurt because it totally takes away the green taste जो आता है ना, वो नहीं आ रहा है. This is so good. So while I work out, I kind of want to multitask, and I want to do some sort of treatment for my hair because my hair has been feeling so dry. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. My hair feels very dry and it's in desperate need of a hair mask. So today I'm going to be using the Mamaearth Rice Water Hair Mask. This has rice water and keratin. By the way, they also have an apple cider variant. This has organic apple cider vinegar and biotin. Now rice water has been used since ages, especially in certain parts of Asia. It's considered like an elixir for the health of your hair. It's like a miraculous ingredient for your hair. So I've already wet my hair just a little bit so that the application of the hair mask is more seamless. Now I personally really like the rice water range from Mamaearth, and also if there's one product that I can trust from Mamaearth blindly are their hair masks. They know how to do their hair masks, and this rice water hair mask is supposed to make your hair longer, stronger, shinier, and also reduce the frizz, which I could use right now. So every time you buy from Mamaearth, they will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant, and by 2025 Mamaearth is aiming at planting 1 million trees as a part of their initiative. Also, Mamaearth has launched their official app, so I'm gonna leave the iOS and Android links in the description box below. Definitely check it out for all the sales and discounts. My application is done. I'm gonna let this sit for approximately 15 to 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna condition, shampoo and condition as usual. If you're interested, you can use my code MRIDUL2021 to get a 20% off on Mamaearth.in. All Mamaearth products are available on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. I'm gonna get done with my green juice workout slash stretch and then get on with my day. Okay, checking in 2 hours later, did my hair, did my makeup, did my nails, took me a really long time, had my lunch also, and I'm just pre-filming a bunch of content for this month. I actually just got a bunch of snacks and I'm gonna do like a quick snacks haul. Let me just change and wear something a little bit more casual, then we'll do a snacks haul. Most of it is healthy, so a healthy snacks haul. Also, this is the situation of the living room. I have lost or broken, I don't know, ye mera ring light ka stand, so I have to like prop it up on random things, like abhi as you can see suitcase ke upar tanga ke I'm doing. Then we moved this from there because I needed like a white background. Everything's everywhere, so now I have to sit and clean. Okay, so finally I'm gonna be sharing with you guys kind of like my grocery haul, everything that I've ordered online. These are snacks. Some of these snacks I've already tried and I love. These are quote unquote healthy snacks. I have ordered some new things which I'll try because they're new for me as well. So the first one is this peanut butter from Yoga Bar. This is 100% peanut butter. There is no added sugar. I love having peanut butter with apple, and when you have it with apple, there's already sweetness from the apple, so you don't need the peanut butter to be sweet. So this is a really good peanut butter. I really like it. Then we have some good old flax seeds. These are salted and they are crunchy, so it tastes very nice. You can have this kind of after a meal, like soft. So I like to add it to like a jar and then keep it out so that I remember to eat it. Then we have this muesli from Yoga Bar again. These are fruits, nuts and seeds, 92% whole grains, nuts, seeds and dry fruits. So this you can add to yogurt, Greek yogurt, or you can also get flavored yogurt, which will have a lot of sugar, but that's okay, it's gonna taste nice. So you can add this to that and it'll add that crunch. It tastes really good. Got some protein bars. This one I've already tried. This is the breakfast protein bar, apricot fig may. This is a new one, multi-grain energy bar. Let's actually try it. This is in the nuts and seeds flavor. Smells very bland. Not bad, actually tastes really good. Matlab, it's not sweet, it's very like neutral tasting, but it's not bad tasting. It'll fill you up for sure. Then we have these cookies from Open Secret. These are peanut butter cookies and they are so delicious. They just taste like peanut butter straight up with like rice crisps. It's like very crispy and very yummy. I don't know how healthy this is, but it tastes very good. Then I got these baked balls in chili chataka and in sour cream and onion. I've never tried these, so let's try chili chataka. Already smells amazing. So crunchy and so nice. These are bomb. I'm gonna finish the whole thing after I film. Then we have these milk bikis, not healthy for sure, but actually ये मैदे की नहीं है. This is 100% आटा, so still better than biscuits. This is not for me, this is for Aditya. When he has his chai, if he's here, then he likes to have some biscuits, so इसके लिए मैंने ये मंगाया है. Then I got this peppermint leaves with green tea. I want to start developing a taste for tea, so I thought I would start off with this, and I do want to start buying loose tea rather than वो dip tea होता है ना. So, ooh, smells so nice. It's packed but sealed, but it still smells so like fresh. So I'm excited for this. Maybe I can have this at night. But then are you supposed to have peppermint at night? Because it's like so fresh. let me know. So that was all the processed, like packed food. Now we have like real food. So I ordered a few coconut nariyal pani peene ke liye subah, bhutta, corn. I love having these, roasting these on the gas, and then nimbu, namak and mirch. Sabko pata hai kaise khate hai. So that's how I like to eat it. And then the last thing that we have is khajur, dates. I love dates, especially in the morning. I was running low, so I got these. These are seedless. So yeah, not that it matters, but yeah, these are the ones that I got. So that's it for my mini grocery haul. Now I need to go clean up. Okay, so before I forget, I wanted to show you guys these absorbers. These are moisture absorbers. I had showed you guys these in, I think, my last to last vlog, and I told you that I have a lot of humidity in this studio. So I put these out and just look at the amount of water that has been collected. This was kept in the living room, and this was in the walk-in. I am mind blown. Just look at the amount of water in there. If you have like humidity in your household, I'll link these. Definitely check them out. Hi guys, welcome to the next day. So in the beginning of the vlog, I had promised you that I would do like a what's in my car. So before I end the vlog, I thought I should do it now. Besides like the obvious things like carrying your PUC, your like documents, and or kya rakhte pani ka bottle that you usually keep, ek kapda, all of that aside, all of that, I'm going to show you what I keep in my car. It's probably a little bit extra, probably you don't need it, but this is what I keep in my car. I have a few pouches here with me. I'll unbox all of those, but in the back seat I keep some reusable bags so that in case you go like shopping or whatever, if you have extra stuff, you can use these. And also I keep a shawl. So this actually my parents do in their car as well. They keep a sweater as well. I haven't kept a sweater. I've just kept a shawl. जो storage है उसमें भी मैंने काफी सारी hauls रखी है. I love hauls. So that's what is here in pouch number 1. The next pouch is very random. I keep this in my dicky because I've never had to use this. So basically this has a spare change of clothes. Don't ask me why. I just feel like I'll get wet. I don't know why and how, but and then I won't have anything to wear. So I have plain black track pants, plain black t-shirt, and then inner garments. So that's what stays in the dicky. Stop giving me the side eye. And finally the last pouch. This is kind of like my beauty pouch, like essentials pouch. This I do reach out to quite a lot. So the first thing that we have is lotion. Now this is again something my mom always has in the car. Just some body lotion because she likes to like apply it on her feet before she leaves and stuff. So that's what we have. Then we have wet wipes just in case. These are a biodegradable organic wipe. Then we have a mini perfume. This is basic. Little bit of makeup, as in I just have a compact powder because I'm so oily. So I just keep one here and then just one lipstick. How about this go?
Lens case.
Lens case because I wear contacts just in case it's there, in case I need to remove my contacts. A hair tie, bobby pins, and a spare pair of earrings, hoop earrings, just in case I need it. I added this recently in here. So these are eye patches. Can you see them? Yeah. So I've seen Anam wearing them while she's driving. I don't know if we're like gonna go for like a long drive, like to the Happy Place Villas or anywhere anytime soon, but I thought when we do have like a long drive, I can put them on and then get a few more, and then everyone in the car can put them on. So yeah, that's what is in my beauty pouch. You will literally be the first one to put them on and ask me for a pair. Now in the dashboard, in the dashboard we have a first aid kit which came with the car, and I've also added a flashlight, and we also have a matchbox. Yeah, matchbox. And then we have some surgical masks right here, and obviously we have sanitizer. We have all different like types of, this is liquid sanitizer, this spray sanitizer, and then we have one more liquid sanitizer, and we also have a tissue box. Obviously this is what it looks like. It matches my outfit. I got this from Bali. It's very, very cute. I got it for like 150 rupees. Oh, and also we have this like fragrance thing that I got from Bath and Body Works, and इसके अंदर एक jelly है और उससे पूरा car smells amazing. It smells like sweet pea because that's the scent. And then we have a cute Ganpati Bappa right there. So I haven't done too much to the car. I wanted to add like a fur steering wheel. But yeah, Aditya won't let me do that. So whatever, that's it for my car tour. By the way, I should have like prefaced and said that I drive a i20 Sports in case you were wondering. Hi guys, so as you can see, I'm back home and I'm gonna be home for at least a week now, editing everything that I shot in the last week. I bulk filmed, now I'm gonna bulk edit. So yeah, I think that's it. I'm just gonna end the vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!